Have you ever wondered what urban transportation will look like in the future? If not, let's find out today. There will be a fantastic metro project near completion in Saudi Arabia. Riyadh Metro Line is one of the world's biggest projects. The Saudi Arabian Kingdom's capital is Riyadh, daily at a major traffic congestion like we see in all international megacities. The King of Saudi Arabia needed to find a solution to the growing number of cars and their influence on traffic congestion. Another significant difficulty that must be considered is that Riyadh plans to triple its population by the year 2030. As a result, the metro system's design had to account for this expected population rise. Hello, and welcome to Building the Future. In today's video, we are going to talk about the insane $22.5 billion Riyadh Metro project, world's biggest metro. But before we continue, just take a moment to subscribe to our channel, Building the Future, and hit the notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Without further ado, let's get started on today's video. One of the most awaited projects in Saudi Arabia has been the Riyadh Metro since plans were first developed in 2014. The project is almost finished, and it should be operational by the beginning of 2023. As part of the project, there will also be buses named the Riyadh Metro buses that will transport you around the city in addition to the metro trains. It will encompass major thoroughfares, interstates, and side roadways. Additionally, free Wi-Fi will be available at all stations, allowing you to maintain contact with your loved ones. According to the Riyadh City Royal Commission, all civil and building work has now been completed, with a total completion rate of 92%. It is a component of the Riyadh Public Transport Project, RPTP, and has a daily capacity of up to 100,000 passengers. So folks, join us in today's video about this amazing metro line in Riyadh. The Saudi Arabian capital of Riyadh is developing a fast transit system called the Riyadh Metro. It is a component of the King Abdul Aziz project for Riyadh public transport and will have 6 metro lines, 176 kilometers in length, and 85 stations. Building the project will cost $22.5 billion. Passengers can expect it to open in 2023. After the Mecca Metro opened in November 2010, this will be the second metro system in Saudi Arabia, the 6th in the Arab world, and the 15th in the Middle East. Cars will be gender segregated. It is predicted that Riyadh's population will increase from roughly 6 million to more than 8.5 million over the next 10 years. 3 main international consortia were narrowed down for the metro's construction in June 2013. In July 2013, contracts were given out, and it was intended for construction to begin in 2014 and last for 4 years. On April 4, 2014, the groundbreaking ceremony was held. It is currently being built by Bechtel, Al Mabani General Contractors, Consolidated Contractors Company, Structon, Webuild, Larson and Tubro, Samsung, and Nesma. The new project is anticipated to serve as the hub of the city's public transportation system. In August 2013, the ADA selected 3 consortiums, BCS, Riyadh New Mobility, and Fast State, to compete for the design and construction of the Riyadh Metro. Consolidated Contractors Company, Siemens EECOM, Al Mabani General Contractors, and Bechtel are members of the BACS consortium. Lines 1 and 2 will be designed and built by the consortium, headed by Bechtel, as part of a $9.4 billion contract. In addition, it is in charge of signaling, electrifying, and integrating the lines into the metro system. In September 2018, ADA awarded Ansaldo STS a $2.9 billion contract to operate and maintain lines 3, 4, 5, and 6 for 12 years. In July 2016, they gave a $332 million contract to the FCC Industrial Division to do electromechanical installation work for the green and purple lines of the Riyadh Metro project. The 2 metro lines' air conditioning, lighting, ventilation, and fire suppression systems were all covered under the deal. The Riyadh Metro project will be 176 kilometers long, with 6 lines and 85 stops, comprising underground, elevated, and at-grade sections. The Blue Line, Line 1, will stretch from Malaya Street to Al Hayder Road. It will include 22 stations along its 38 kilometers length and 4 transfer stations connecting to other metro lines. The Red Line will connect King Abdullah Road and King Fahad Stadium, often known as Line 2. There will be 13 stops and 3 transfer stations over its 25.3 kilometers length. The Metro's Line 3, often known as the Orange Line, would be the longest, stretching 40.7 kilometers from Medina Al Munawwara to Rahman Al Awwal Road. Line 4, a 29-kilometer yellow line with 8 stations, will connect King Khalid International Airport with the brand-new King Abdullah Financial District. The 13-kilometer-long Line 5 or Green Line will begin at King Abdul Aziz Road. 11 stations and 2 transfer stations will be present. Line 6, or the Purple Line, will serve as the terminal for Line 6 and begin at King Abdullah Financial District. It will be 21 kilometers long, mainly above ground, and have 6 stations. The Area Development Authority chose 3 architectural firms to design and build the system's 3 main stations: Olaya Metro Station, Downtown Metro Station, and King Abdullah Financial District Metro Station. Gerber Architekten designed the Olaya Metro Station. The station will have a public plaza, a sizable entrance hall, and an open concourse at the junction of Lines 1 and 2. The station will have a gross capacity of 387 cubic meters and 68.85 square meters of gross floor space. The station is anticipated to receive $20 million from ADA. The downtown station was designed by Snøhetta, Qasr Al Haq. The station is built between King Faisal Street and Al Madinah Al Munawwara Street. This station will serve as a transportation hub for Lines 1 and 3. The King Abdullah Financial District Metro Station was designed and built by Zaha Hadid. The station is situated only a little west of King Fahad Road and east of the Northern Ring Road. Lines 1, 4, and 6 will be served by it. All of the metro stations will be powered by renewable energy. With the final train set delivered in February 2019, Alstom has supplied 69 metro trains for the Riyadh Metro project. In addition, it promised to provide its Herbalist signaling system, AESOP, a new technology for installing tracks more quickly, and Apitrack. The metro trains will run entirely automatically. There will be 2 cars on each train. The automated metro train will be 2.71 meters wide and 36 meters long. Bombardier Transportation constructed 47 INNOVIA Metro 300 train sets in Mexico, and DHL transported them to Riyadh. Passengers riding the electric trains should find it convenient and comfortable. To operate Lines 1 and 2 in inclement weather, Siemens committed to furnishing 67 Inspiron-type metro cars, each with 2 to 4 vehicles. Alstom started the initial dynamic testing for the Riyadh Metro project in June 2018. The test involves putting the railway system through its paces with already supplied trains. You can park your car at the station in one of the many parking spaces on site to make the service as convenient and accessible as possible. There will be 25 parking lots allotted for the project, each of which can hold 400 to 600 vehicles at once. The Riyadh Metro is environmentally friendly. The stations are equipped with solar cells, which will provide 20% of the energy used by the entire station. Once the service is operational, it will assist in lowering the number of daily car trips by around 250,000, saving the city 400,000 liters of gasoline. So far, there are 3 types of carriages: VIPs, families, and singles. In contrast to the family carriages, which are only for families and female passengers, single male passengers must utilize the single carriages. Only those with a VIP card are permitted to use the VIP area. A Traffic Control Center, TCC, will serve as the customer's primary point of contact to provide world-class customer service for the public transportation system. Through the use of intelligent transport systems, the entire transportation network will be coordinated. The project will help reduce the number of car trips in the city by roughly 250,000 per day, equivalent to 400,000 liters of gasoline per day, hence lowering air pollution emissions. The project's daily capacity is predicted to be 3.6 million passengers. The advantage of automatic trains is that they use a modern system that enables each train to move and stop independently without the assistance of maintenance and operations staff. The successful construction of a top-notch metro system that will revolutionize Riyadh's public transportation system would significantly decrease reliance on private transportation, greatly reducing traffic congestion. It is anticipated that Riyadh residents will welcome this new method of transportation, which will make it simple for anyone to move around the city in all directions. Due to low worker productivity, fatigue, or boredom, the Riyadh Metro will be delayed until 2023. But when it is open to use, would you love to visit? We hope you have enjoyed this video. Feel free to share your thoughts down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Building the Future, and hit the bell icon for more intriguing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.